Tiana here, and today I'm super excited because I got 5 Furby Connects, and Furby Connect sent me the Furby Connect. So
Furby Connect sent Tiana 5 Furby Connects.
Yeah,
I like that.
So thank you so much Furby Connect for sending me the Furby Connect.
Yay!
Yes, and they can react to videos and they talk to each other and like dance and sing.
They look so cool on the box, and the app looks amazing, doesn't it, Tiana, on the box?
It's an app that you can download for free, and we've already downloaded it ready.
Yeah, so you can connect to the virtual world of surprises with the Furby Connect World app.
Yes.
So that sounds awesome. Can't wait to have some fun with that, Tiana.
And it comes with a sleep mask as well.
Yeah, all the Furbies that come with a sleep mask.
All of them.
All of them.
And we've got 2 favourite colours. That's the baby pink or the light pink, which you call it. And this is like a pink.
You like that one as well though, don't you, yeah?
Yes, and there's also a light blue or baby blue.
I think they're good choices of colours, but they're all really nice. But I think the one, the peachy coloured one, yeah?
Yeah, so we open that one first.
That's my favourite.
Yeah.
Do you want to open that one first?
Yeah, so we're going to open one first, and then we'll show you how it works, and we're going to open them all, and it'll be wild but fun.
All the Furbies are going to be on this table.
Talking to each other.
Having fun.
Yeah.
So first we'll do the peach Furby, then all the
of them.
Furbies. Okay, let's open the peach one.
Yeah.
Okay, Tiana.
Okay, so shall we open it?
Yes, have a look at the first one. Whoa!
What does it look like?
Super cute. Have a look, Tiana.
Oh, so cute.
The colour is amazing.
Yeah, so right there it says sleep mask, so I think it's in there.
Yeah, so that's where the sleep mask is. So have a look at that.
Okay.
Oh, cute.
Yeah, but you might get the sleep mask the wrong way because like that looks like its face, doesn't it?
Yes.
But that actually goes like that because like this bit is there,
Okay.
and but that looks like the beak kind of.
You gonna connect it then?
Yes. So.
Oh.
Oh, they got like rubbery feet.
Oh, wow. Okay, so let's get the Furby out the box.
It's so cute.
Oh, I love the colour.
Wait, let me pull its tail and see if it does something.
Oh!
Oh, so this is how you put it to sleep. So you just see this bit here that just goes like that. And then shoo, shoo, shoo. So it's asleep now, and then when you take it off, it will like say something like,
Well, it'll wake up.
yeah. And then sometimes when it wakes up, it says what they dream about. Like sometimes they say, I dreamt about electric sheep.
Yeah, you told me that because you watched the video on YouTube, didn't you?
Yeah.
So, okay, Tiana, so now we're going to have to connect it to Bluetooth.
Yes, we have to wake it up again.
Of course, but we'll get the iPad out and connect it to Bluetooth and open the Connect app.
Yeah. Yes. I'm going
Alright.
to turn it on now.
Okay, so wakey wakey.
So if you want it to wake up straight away, you're not the antenna. But if you want it to wait to wake up, then you just wait. What did it say?
Sleepyhead.
Okay, so shall we go onto the app and connect it?
Yay, let's do that, Tiana.
And a minute ago, it said, I love cats.
I love cats.
Yeah. Ooh, it just trilled. Okay, so you scan it just up here. Go on there. It's scanning. Connected!
Connected successfully.
Yay! Oh, look at all those Furbies running.
What are they?
Furblings.
Furblings.
Yeah, like from about.
So are they the baby Furbies then?
Yeah.
Okay.
So, oh, it's this one, wasn't there? Look. They found these in a tree. Okay, so shall we feed it? Right there, look, it's like a cannon. They put food in it.
So what have you got then on the side there? What kind of foods?
banana, and I think that's a pepper, then a hot dog, pineapple, then like a drink, and I think that's beef or something.
Okay, let's see what you like. So then give him a test. What is that? A pineapple?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. See your reaction. Very interesting.
Yeah. Might go in his eyes as well. Does he like it?
Oh yeah.
Oh, a carrot went in his eye.
The stomach stuck. Does that mean?
They said touch Furby's tongue. That looks so gross.
What was that? It's on the screen. So you just rubbed it away from the screen. What was that, Tiana?
Bath, I think.
Bath.
Shall we feed it again?
Yeah.
What should we feed it?
Is that a drink gone in?
Yeah.
Okay.
Woo! Does he like it or not?
He's okay, yeah.
Okay.
So what else then?
Okay, so shall we like see if it needs a toilet or anything?
Okay, yeah, do that.
Oh, it says it needs it.
Oh!
Oh my gosh, look at that poo! Oh, I need to flush that away. Disgusting!
Oh, that was so funny.
Oh, it says I got a present. Poop done.
Let's have a look then.
Ah. And you can actually feed the Furblings as well.
Okay.
So this Furbling's hungry, so it says you have to feed it what it asked for. So it wants some fries, doesn't it?
Would you look at that?
Nom 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 nom.
Wait, hold on.
What?
Oh!
He wants some pizza. I love pizza. Have to,
Yum, yum, yum.
yeah. Oh, it's hot, hot. Right, it wants a banana.
Would you look at that?
He ate the skin.
The cuteness.
Oh,
We good.
We good.
Yeah. Yes, thank you, yes.
oh.
Wow.
Oh, is that a cone?
Egg. Egg.
So what are they? Are they like prizes?
Yeah. So there. Woo. So what should we do?
I don't know. So let's go
look
flicking
here.
for instance. What have you got?
Hokey pokey. Moving.
Bye bye.
So you actually can throw the Furblings. Get more eggs.
Okay.
What have we got there then?
That's like gonna come soon. That's gonna be one of my reward things, like prize. Then these eggs, they like take a few hours to hatch. These ones.
2 hours and 4 minutes. Did that say yeah? And what about this one?
Yeah.
6 hours.
And 0 minutes. But obviously, some of them you can just hatch without them being like that. Because some are special eggs like these ones, and some are just normal, so you can hatch them straight away.
I like the eyes because every time you was feeding, you could see the food in the eyes.
Yeah, it's so cool.
Yeah, and there's 150
Oh, look.
colourful eye animations as well, Tiana. So what have you got there?
It can react to things.
Go on then, let's go.
Isn't it?
Oh wow, that is so cool. Yeah. So what other ones was there? There was a few different ones, wasn't there?
Yeah.
So we checked the other ones.
Yeah.
Okay, what else is there?
So, shall we see this one?
Yeah.
The Monster Mash.
Oh. Now this is a 4 dance off. Come on then, let's see what dance moves you got.
These two are in the lead, aren't they?
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah. What about these?
Oh, they are super duper cool toys there.
Yeah. Thank you so much, Furby Connect, for sending me the Furby Connect. And I think they're so cool. I love the app. And I think this one's still snoring.
Yeah, it is.
And I think that the good part about them is everything, but I really like it how they talk to each other and stuff.
Yeah, they connect. So yeah, they have conversations and sing songs, and
Yeah.
and the app is really good fun.
Yeah.
So yeah, so there's lots of features to the app as well. And every Friday, there's always new updates on the apps, which is cool.
Yeah. This one's still snoring. Gosh, the other ones are asleep.
And Tiana, Furbish language. I mean, that is just so funny, isn't it? So they speak Furbish and they speak English as well.
Yeah. And
Wow.
in the Furby box, which they come in like an instruction sheet that tells you what they say in Furbish language and in our language.
Yes, it does. And here it is.
Yeah. Right there. And it
Furbish
also
dictionary, guys.
Yeah.
And there's all the tips there, look what you can do with them.
It tells you how many batteries they run on.
Yeah, pet, tickle, move, feed Furby with your finger, tilt
Yeah.
Furby to turn upside down, play music with Furby, hold Furby, shake Furby, talk to Furby, introduce Furby to others.
Yes, which we did.
Which we did. So yeah.
Yeah. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I love you all. See you soon. Bye.
Oh, here we go. You're getting them more lively again. You was having a good sleep then, Tiana.